If I was to describe Kinzua to someone, it would more likely be quality and growth, because that is what is shared and motivated to us daily. It's like we family, kind of like you come in, it's just a natural connection, and we all been working together for a little while, and I think that helps a lot, the communication.
Underneath everything we do, the foundation comes down to the quality of us making the product. What we've done here is really unique because we're a manufacturer that blends the product here. We bottle it, we label it, we do everything in-house, and it gets delivered directly to your doorstep.
Consistency is important because the customer has high expectations for you to be able to produce a product that they're looking for that actually will work. So being consistent and making sure the product works every time, 100% the way it's supposed to, guaranteed, is very, very important.
The continued investment in equipment has allowed us to keep up with demand. Naturally, our demand's growing because people are surprised when they find a product that actually works the first time around, which is what we make here. I use my products every day at home. I know what we produce is the best out there, so we've invested more in equipment in order to keep up with that. We've actually figured out how to make the best version of a product in the industry. So now it's just about getting it out there and letting people know that, hey, this is where the #1 product is made. This is the company that does it.